Hey, this is the fourth week of vlogs for my AT project. So last week I got quite confused because the tutorials I was using weren't actually based off of images. The main one was an implementation that generated a quadratic function, I think, to use as its data set, and then the others were based off like MNIST data, neither of which were kind of ideal for actually getting my head around understanding GANs, which I've kind of been having trouble with. But thankfully, Toby put up a really helpful tutorial on the forums. It's kind of helped me get to grips with actually understanding things a bit more. So for the building data that I'll be using, the generator is effectively going to try and generate images that are as close as possible to the images in that data set. And then the discriminator is the other network that kind of works alongside it, that takes that input generated data and then contrasts it with the real building data. And that's effectively therefore outputting the probability of whether or not the input data comes from the real data set. And in this case, that would be how much the generated building images look like the real ones as opposed to fake ones, I guess. And this is also really cool because I guess with GANs, when they're working really well, like both networks are kind of working against each other almost, but then improving as they go, which obviously gives much better results. And I followed the tutorial that Toby put up, and I've been trying my best to get it working. I'm still having a few errors, trouble with errors to do with actually training the data. But I'm like really happy with this week in general, the progress, because I'm actually kind of understanding what's going on for once, which is really nice. So ideally, I obviously want to try and get all of this finished over the next couple of days, just so I can actually tweak any problems in the last week. But yeah, anyway, that's it for this video, and thanks very much for watching.